L-Ambaxxatur Palestinjan għal Malta, Fadi Hanania, irringrazzja lill-awtoritajiet Maltin talli irdupjaw l-għajnuna lir-refuġjati fil-Palestina. Dan f'intervista li kellu ma' News fejn qal li din l-għajnuna permezz ta' mekkaniżmu tal-Ġnus Magħquda qed tgħin biex ikun hemm skejjel u jipprovdu saqaf fuq rashom.
We really thank Maltese Government and all those who are helping the UNRWA by supporting the refugees by schools, by hospitals, by providing them with shelter.
F'din l-intervista l-Ambaxxatur iddeskriva s-sitwazzjoni tat-terrur li hemm f'Gaza bl-attakki kontinwi. Dan fil-waqt li l-provvisti tal-ikel u tal-fuel kważi spiċċaw, b'dan qed iwassal biex l-isptarijiet ma jistgħux jagħtu l-għajnuna medika.
Well, the Gaza Strip has been under attack for the past 25 days. Unfortunately, around 10,000 Palestinians have lost their lives by the Israeli airstrikes. More than 3,500 of them are children, and the rest are civilians, including women, and many other were injured during these incursions. The situation in Gaza is very inhumane. There is no medicine, there is no food, and unfortunately there is no petrol and diesel to run the hospitals. This morning 2 hospitals ran out of diesel, and unfortunately they cannot provide any medical services to the people.
L-Ambaxxatur Palestinjan tenna li qatt hemm bżonn ħafna għajnuna umanitarja f'Gaza u dan minkejja matul il-jum tal-erba' infetħet il-fruntiera f'Rafah bejn l-Eġittu u Gaza. Dan u b'mod limitu hekk kif ingħata aċċess lil dawk midruba.
We are expecting more from our friends, especially from the government of Malta, as we have pleaded for more assistance to our families in Gaza.
Tkellimna wkoll mal-Ambaxxatur Palestinjan dwar iż-żjara ta' Roberta Mezzola u Ursula von der Leyen f'Iżrael. Hawnhekk l-Ambaxxatur staqsa kif dawn marru hemmhekk minn jeddhom mingħajr laqqas biss ikkunsidraw il-pożizzjoni tal-Istati Membri kollha u tal-Membri Parlamentari Ewropej biex ħadu il-pożizzjoni ta' Iżrael b'din kienet ukoll ikkundannata minn bosta.
Unfortunately, they decided to take side of Israel, which is the occupier. They should have really asked before they went there from other European countries and even MEPs. We have heard from other countries, including Malta, and MEPs who are coming from Malta, that they were against these visits. They defend Israel's rights to defend itself. How? How can you justify an occupation to defend themselves against the people who are there occupying us as victims, as people under occupation? Our protection is in the hands of Israel. They're the one who should be protecting us, not targeting us.